The sense of money empowers me to do better. I am going to receive a lot of money. Money arrives at me faster and quickly. My attitude towards money is far more favorable than ever. I am a money magnet. I attract a lot of money. Millions of dollars are coming to me. Money is flowing to me from both expected and unexpected sources. I am aligned with the energy of wealth. Money is the power to me. When I feel the money in my hands, it gives me a sense of security, and I feel safe. Money comes to me even when I am sleeping. Money now comes to me from unexpected sources. When I close my eyes, I feel money flowing through me. I am worthy of increasing my income. I am deserving enough to be wealthy. I welcome an abundance mindset. I embrace the unique offers of income. I inhale money and exhale negativity. Money flows effortlessly to me. Money is continuously flowing towards me. I am the architect of my own life and wealth. My bank account overflows with money. Money is my motivation. I am worthy of financial security and whatever it brings to me. I set myself financial goals and hunt them down. Money always has a positive impact on my life. It is safe and sound for me to be debt-free. I am focusing on achieving a lot of money. I get paid extremely well for whatever I do. I am grateful for all the money that is present in my life. I have a positive outlook on my life, which automatically sets a positive outlook on money. I let go of all the worries and hurdles present in my life. I am the master of my wealth. Money is flowing into my life in large quantities. I can finally buy whatever I want to. Money is now enhancing my life by flowing into my life. Money does not let me defer or neglect my responsibilities. I keep the flow of money continuously growing because I like to help people. Wise and timed investment gets me a lot of money. Money making is not a hard thing for me. I can make money doing nothing because it is a skill. I let go of all the naysayers who say I cannot have enough money. Money is an integral part of life. My life is getting easier and more comfortable due to money. My ideas get me a lot of money every time I invest into something positive. I do not surrender in front of money. I keep on working for money. My skills and hard work bring me a lot of money. Being financially independent brings me a lot of joy and peace. I use the money to better my life and life of others. I am attracting money at this very moment. The money I spend always comes back to me in multiplied ways. Things I touch turns into gold. My actions create prosperity. I never give my attention to unwanted things. I keep on discovering new sources of income. I manage money excellently, no matter how much it is. Money creates more opportunities in my life. I believe money is essential. I get rich doing what I love and find passion in it. Money is my strength because it drives me to do better. The more value I contribute to my money, the more I get. I am open to receiving more money in my life. The money I spend and earn makes me happy. I love money and money loves me. I let go of my fear about money, and it drives me better towards my goal. Money is energy, and it is continuously flowing into my life. The more I give, the more I receive. There are no limits defined to the money I receive or make. The universe always delivers the amount of money I need. I am open to receive all kinds of opportunities the universe is throwing to me. Money is no different to me than air and water. I can always and forever reach it without any hassle. I am happy to know that there is no end to money in this life. I can earn no matter how much I like to make. I can go wherever I want to without being a pressure for someone because I am financially independent. It feels good to have money flowing in. It feels like an achievement getting fulfilled. The best feeling is when the money flows to you, and the more you want it, the more it comes to you. I can always attract the money I want and need. No amount of money is enough money for me. I can buy the things I desire with little to no effort. The world is leading me to new opportunities every day. I move from scarcity thinking to liberal thinking. As I grow and my wealth grows more, I enjoy it. I am no more conscious about the money I have right now, because it is even flowing when I am sleeping. The balance of my emergency money keeps on growing. I appreciate the money and the convenience it brings to me over time. I command myself to get the right amount of money. The more I give, the more I receive with time. My best days filled with money are yet to come. My income is expanding rapidly. Money is everything in this world. It can solve almost all the problems. I am not here to live an ordinary life. There is not enough money, and I am hunting for cash every day. I have to prove to people how much money I can earn, and it is only possible when I am investing in a lot more than I am receiving. Money is power. Wealth I have is power. I keep on giving money because it comes back to me in mysterious and magical ways.